Hello there, I am Ahmed Shadid, the founder of Trazic Company and the main inventor of BC-8 technology. Because there is $9 billion the world spent every year in purchasing new graphics card. Not just that, also 1.9 billion GPU in the world can't run the latest video games and also the latest rendering software like 3ds Max and Maya. And 7 billion hour the research facilities and the game development and the animation studios companies waste every year in waiting the renders farm, in waiting the graphics card to finish the rendering at their job. I'm not giving you these numbers from the outspace. I'm giving these numbers, I'm copying it from The Economist magazine and also the Microsoft Research Center and some notes from the SIGGRAPH conference. Now the problem very huge. And we saw that there's a miss part and the people really need something to solve this problem. So because of that, I founded Trazic Company and I collected 5 of the best creative programmers and designers, and we start working together, and after more than 4,600 hours of working and 20,000 lines of code and 2 published research papers, the result was BC-8. BC-8 is an 80 megabyte software that the user can install on his computer that have NVIDIA graphics card or AMD graphics card. And after the user install it, the BC-8 algorithms get inside the graphics card and change the way that use itself to process and to render. And start using our new system that we innovated, which is 900% faster in gaming, in simulation and in rendering. Now let's put BC-8 on the test table and let's see the advantage of BC-8 on the rendering side. Using a graphics card called NVIDIA GTX 765M, we rendered this scene using 3ds Max. And the result was for the final render is 29.2 minutes to render the full scene. Now with the same card, with the same scene, but we just installed our software BC-8 on the computer and we rendered the scene again, and the result was 19 seconds. Also another test here. We have here a 4K textured 3D character. Using the same graphics card NVIDIA GTX 765M, we rendered this scene, and the result was for the final render 32.6 minutes. Now using our BC-8 on the same device and also in the same scene, the result was just 27.11 seconds to final render. Now, what about the advantage of BC-8 on the gaming side? BC-8 solved another massive problem. Approximately 240 million gamers cannot afford to buy the recent video games or upgrade their devices to be compatible with the new AAA games. I'm talking about the PC gamers. So BC-8 would allow all users who install it to play all new games that was not working before on their devices in a higher resolution and a higher frame rate than the usual, and more speed and reality like simulation. Let's watch this video together. It's a comparing between video games with our technology and video games without our technology. What you saw, at least before our technology, it needs GTX 765M to render such high quality and high frame rate images. But the surprise is, after we used BC-8, we just needed Intel Core to Quad 2.8 GHz as a CPU, NVIDIA GT 9500 as a GPU, and a 4 GB RAM to render and to run such high frame rates and high quality scenes. Finally, BC-8 project had such big achievements. The first place worldwide in the 43rd Geneva International Invention Expedition, which held in Geneva, Switzerland, 2015 in the month of April. The gold medal in the Asian Young Invention Expedition 2014. The gold medal in ITEX 2014, the International Invention and Innovation Expedition, which held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The first place in Saudi National Olympic of Scientific Creativity 2014. The youngest Microsoft Developer Award in the Middle East. The silver medal in the first Arab Creativity Conference 2014. And that's all about BC-8 projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. For more information, please visit our website www.trazic.com.